I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating hardware because performance prevents judder and tracking loss. Check GPU, CPU, and RAM, then install Steam and the headset app so the software stack is ready. Once done, plug the headset's display and USB connections into the recommended ports. Avoid hubs for initial setup. Make sure Windows updates and GPU drivers are current, and restart the PC so the OS recognizes the new device before moving to tracking and software configuration. You now complete the software configuration to make the headset usable. Open the vendor app to update headset firmware and pair controllers. This ensures input maps match the device. Next, install Steam VR and set the headset's OpenXR or runtime so games launch correctly. Then calibrate tracking and choose seated or room-scale play area. This determines how the system interprets your position. Finally, adjust graphics and supersampling so you balance clarity and smooth frame rate for comfortable play. You finish by validating the physical play area and peripherals so sessions are safe and immersive. Run the room setup, define the boundary, and confirm floor level so tracking maps correctly. Then test controllers, mic, and headset audio and tweak volumes or input bindings as needed. If something goes wrong, first try swapping to direct ports, restart Steam VR or the vendor service, and update firmware and GPU drivers. These steps resolve most detection and tracking failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.